Alright, this is a bike check for the Fit VH1, Fit by Kill. Let's start with the handlebars, 8.3 rise, stock stem, top lobe, integrated headset, 2.35 tires, 60 PSI, Revenge rims, both rims. Stock cranks. I spray painted them red because that's what I do for a living. I'm just kidding. No. 25 teeth sprocket, regular chain. My both hubs are stock. Pivotal seat, stock. Chromely frame. Odyssey pedals. I don't think I said that already. It's about like 23, 24 pounds altogether. I have stock grips, by the way. And that's my bike check. Oh, by the way, whenever you have the chance to buy a new bottom bracket for the VH1, buy it because mine already got messed up and I've had it for 2 months.